Xoxo, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a bougie on a budget perfume video. This video is being brought to you by Dossier. I have did a video with them before showing you affordable options for luxury perfumes. So I have my makeup I have my perfume set up in the back. So we're in a different location today because I just thought it would be fun for you to kind of see some of the stuff I have more so. So I do have some of my favorite perfumes on the top, and then also in the cabinet it has like 2 shelves, and it's also full of perfumes and body sprays, samples, all types of stuff. If y'all want to see a perfume collection video where I kind of go through and I'll try to name every one that I have, then let me know. I might just do that today. It sounds like a good idea. I think y'all want to see that. Okay, so this is the box that the items came in. Everything came packaged very nicely, just like last time. I love Dossier because it definitely gives you that luxury feel, like with their boxes and everything like that. So if you're new and you haven't seen my other video, I will link it down below so you can see some other options for perfumes that they have available. But this is how the boxes come, and I think that they are really nice how they are made and everything. Like, it just looks really good. And then on the inside it's like this corally type of color. And then also on the inside, you do have a card that gives you the info for what the perfume is that you have chosen and the notes in it. Yeah, it just gives you all the information on this card inside of each box. And then also you will have your perfume on the inside and also a sample size. And basically with this sample size, what you would do is try out the perfume. I believe there's a certain amount of days. Let me just look because I can't remember completely. With any scent that you purchase, it will come with a little sample, and then you also will have your 50 ml bottle, which is the full size. So what you would basically do is test out the sample first, and then if you don't like it, you can send it back to get a full refund. The returns are free and there is no questions asked. So basically you can test this out, and if you don't like how it smells or if it doesn't work with your body chemistry, you can send it back. I believe it's a certain amount of days that you have to do it. I will put that on the screen or put it down below because I can't think right off. But yeah, you get a sample, and before the samples were bigger than this. So let me just show you. Before, this is how the samples looked. I don't know if someone requested or if they just decided to change to a spray bottle, but these are actually roller balls. And I thought that these were cute. It's like a little glass bottle and everything, and it's great. You can throw this in your purse, which this you can throw in your purse as well, but it's like a little plastic spray bottle. So honestly, Dossier, I prefer these. Like, I just think that it feels more luxe, and you definitely get more product in these than this one. But yeah, this is what they have switched to. I'm not sure if it's a permanent thing or if it's just something that they're testing out. I don't know. Okay, so then this is how the bottles come. I really like the packaging of the bottles. It's a very simple label across the front, and then also the top is magnetic, so you just pull it up and it snaps into place by itself because it is magnetic, which I really like. And I just like their bottles overall. They're just really sleek and simple. I do like really pretty perfume bottles as well, but something like this is different for me and I like it. So this first scent that I have is called Fresh Floral 3, and this one is the inspired scent of Armani's Aqua Durjaya. So all of their scents are pretty much dupes of high-end perfumes, so it's a great way to save money instead of buying the original luxury perfume. What I can say as far as these, they do get the scents dead on. Like, it smells exactly like the original perfume, but they do not last as long on the skin, or they don't wear as long as the other perfumes that I have, like my higher end ones. They don't last as long, but if you touch up throughout the day, like if you bring your mini one with you, you can just refresh and you'll be fine. So you save some money. I really like to wear these like at night, or sometimes if I have the original scents as well as this one, I will put this on and the original, and it just like amps it up. So yeah, so this one is like the Aqua Durjaya by Armani. I do not own this scent, but I have seen a lot of people like it, and you know, they said it smelled good, so I decided to try it. I think it smells really good. This is a floral scent. I'm not really like a person who would typically like floral scents, but to me, this doesn't really smell like so flowery. Like, I don't like perfumes that smell like straight up flowers, but like flower bomb and stuff like that, I love those kind of perfumes. So I guess I do like florals, but just they have to be done right. Like, it has to be done right. Let me just tell y'all the notes that are in this. The top notes in this are blackcurrant buds, mandarin, and mint. The middle notes are peony, jasmine, sembach, and violet leaves. And then the base notes are cedarwood, rock rose, and brown sugar. So it definitely has a sweet scent to it. Like, it just smells really good. So I definitely would recommend testing out this scent if you haven't smelled it before, or if you don't already own it. But it is a popular scent, so you probably already own it. So let's move on to the next one that I have. This one is Fresh Floral 2, and this one is inspired by Dior's J'adore. So I did pick this one up because I own the original, and I just wanted to compare it again just to see if all of their perfumes are dead on with the notes and the way that it smells. Top notes in this one are bergamot, mandarin, and champaca. I'm not sure how to say that. The middle notes are jasmine, sambach, sweet pea, and rose, and the base notes are amaranth wood, plum, and musk. Okay, so this one comes with the sample once again, and then you also have your 50 ml bottle, which is a 1.7 ounce. I didn't mention that before, so you do get quite a bit of product in here. And whenever I smelled this, it definitely smells exactly like the original. This is my J'adore Dior. Now, as far as like this one, I just love this bottle, and it's like such a classic scent. I love this so much. I've had it for a while. It's pretty strong, so I feel like you don't even need to put on so much. And sometimes I do like to layer my perfumes and mix them together, so I will put one on and then put another one on top to give it a different scent. And this actually smells really good with Fantasy, which I never would have thought, but one day I just tried it and I like how it smells. I also love it by itself, but I love this bottle, so I don't know if I would commit to only having this. If I didn't have this, like, I would still want to have both because I just love this bottle and the classicness of it. But yeah, it definitely smells exactly the same as the original. So that is that one. Lastly, this is another one that I haven't ever tried. So this one is inspired by Chanel's Chance, and this one is the Oriental Woody 3. The top notes in this are hyacinth, citron zest, and then the middle notes are Irish jasmine and pink pepper, and the base notes are patchouli, vanilla, and vetiver. I do love how patchouli smells in a lot of perfumes, and it's another one that I can't think of right now that I really like in a lot of perfumes, because lately I pay attention to notes and stuff, because if I'm shopping online, it's easier to kind of tell what you will like if you kind of know the notes that you like. Also, like if you buy candles online, if you know some of the notes that you like for scents, then it's easier to shop online without going to the store and smelling it. So this is how this one looks, and this one is Chanel Chance. I believe Chanel Chance has like all those different colored ones, but I never purchased them because they are pretty expensive and I could never just pick. This one smells really good. This one is definitely more of a zesty type of scent, and I don't own any of the Chanel Chances. Whenever I went to the store before, I remembered that I used to like how the pink one smelled, but then whenever I got a sample of it, I really didn't like it. So then I was like, well, maybe it wasn't the pink one. So I'm really unsure which one is the most popular one that everyone loves, because they all have a different scent. I think they have like the pink, the green, I think it's like a yellowish, orangish one. I think it's like 4 different ones. I'm not really sure. So I'm not sure exactly which one this is, or if this is a dupe of the one that I'm thinking of, or if it's a different one. But yeah, this is the Chanel Chance, and it smells good, but it's definitely more of a musky scent. So this is probably something that I would say for the winter time, because I like, or actually it says that this one is a Oriental Woody. so it's more musky to me, and this is like my type of perfume, more so for wintertime. I don't really wear too many scents that are more woody and musky in the summer months. Right now it is cooling off, but we still have some days that are a little bit warmer, so yeah, I'll probably save that one until it cools off more. But the other ones, like florals, I will wear throughout the year, and like J'adore is just timeless, so I will wear it anytime. So yeah, those are all of the perfumes that I got from Dossier. So definitely check them out because they're very affordable, and you can try out the perfume. Even if you have never purchased the original, it's still good. You can start here because it's going to save you some money. Plus, it will let you see if you really like it enough to go and pay the full price for one in the luxury stores, because something like this will cost about 100 or 150, something like that. Whereas with this, I believe the price is like $25 to $30. Let me just double check on this site. All of the perfumes on the site are $29, but they do have some specials where you can sign up to get a 25% off. So on here, you can put your email in. You can get 2 perfumes for $49. You could get 3 perfumes for $69. 4 perfumes for $89, and 5 perfumes for $109. And the original price of something like this would cost you between like $100 to $150. Whereas you can go ahead and purchase the one from Dossier for $29, or if you want to get a bundle deal with some other ones, you can do that as well. But it definitely saves you some money. You still can smell like the original perfume, and you get to try it out for a cheaper amount. And if you love it so much, then I would say to invest in the original as well if you just really love it. Or you could just keep buying Dossier because they work just as good. For me, I just feel like it doesn't last as long, and I just like mine to smell a little bit more strong. So maybe for some people, if you like a lighter scent, this will be perfect for you, or you can touch up throughout the days. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.